Komiti mar thieth e Senate olimo kar thieth maduong' ma Kitui e chenro mar nono chal mar thieth e osiptandno ma Kitui. Limbeno notelie gi Seneta ma Kisii Richard Onyonka, David Wafula kanyakla kod Tabitha Mutinda, maduto noseyo chal mar thieth e osiptandno ka giwacho ni ok omorogi. Jokanyono dhi mbele gi limbe megi e kuonde thieth ma kaunti ma Machakos kod Makueni bende.
Institutional ministry or department tulifanye haraka fika mwisho and myself.
We've been at the lab. You know how it looks like. We've checked at the blood bank, the blood center, the machines. You know what we are talking about. And the general human resource attitude of our people as we've been engaging. You know our position. For me, I don't want to preempt, but we'll do a very clear report. We've been at the pharmacy and the stores. You know how it has been. Kenyans cannot suffer in life, suffer in hospital, suffer in the mortuary, and also suffer in health. It is not right.
We've looked at this facility and we've seen the challenges from the fact that the county government is not receiving reciprocal funds for SHA. But we've also raised with the county government that whatever little you're getting under your own source revenue, you should be doing something with it. I believe that this facility needs support, a lot of support.
Ile kitu mimi imeniudhi kama mama, kama kiongozi ni hospitali nzima na kaunti yote ya Kitui haina mashini ya mammogram. Mashini inayostahili kufanya scan yetu sisi wa mama, kufanya scan ya matiti. Na kama haipo, jamani, mama wanaenda all the way Nairobi, wanaenda all the way Machakos, ni jambo la kuhuzunisha. Kitanda kimoja kinalala watu wa Kenya 6, wazazi 3 wa mama na watoto wajaliwa 3. Hao ni wa Kenya 6.